So today I want to talk to you about the Shark Upright Vacuum bagless system and some of the features of it. So a couple of questions that you may have is, does it work on carpet and hardwood? And the answer is yes. So it's in the off position, but then you've got hardwood and then carpet. So honestly, you could leave it on hardwood and it still would clean. On carpet is just harder to push, and I'll show you the difference. Couple of other things that you may be wondering is, can I clean say a couch behind a couch cushion very easily? And the answer is yes, super easy. You just press this button here. This comes out. You could use it just like this, super easy. You can grab one of the tools that's very compact and packed right here on the vacuum itself, which is nice. So you can switch it out there, or say you want to clean your car and this is obviously just going to be too bulky. This pops off right here, very easy, pops off, so you can really get in. Great for stairs. So I like that. You also have, hold on. You also have a minimum or max suction, so you can switch it to max or minimum. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is for me to do go from cleaning the couch cushions to cleaning the carpet. So very easy, just going to turn it on. We're on minimum suction, switching to maximum suction. Picks up not only human hair, also pet hair. So you may be wondering that. Obviously, I have long hair. I definitely have more of a problem with my hair than I do with Winston's. And then just very easily to engage it, all you have to do is put your foot here. It's not a button. You just hold it down for leverage and pull it back to move it. Does move pretty flat. So that's easy. Okay, so say you do want to do your stairs or someplace that's hard to get and you don't need that bottom piece. You're just going to step on this, pull up, and it lifts away. And then you can easily take this off, do your stairs, do your car, anything like that, which is really nice. So that's really easy to do. And then clearly I need to empty this. This is the bagless system. Super easy to pull this out. Pops in and out relatively easy once you get it out. I don't empty it a lot, to be quite honest, but you just pull it up and it pulls out. Take it over to your trash and shake it out. Clearly I need to empty mine. Yes, it picks it all up. You can even see all the details. So if you pick something up and you don't want to, yes, you could dig through this and clean it up. And then you just need to clean out this bucket every now and again. Okay, to empty the canister, I didn't want to open it, is very easy. You just pop that open and it's going to open just like that. And then you're going to pop it right back on to your vacuum cleaner. So super easy to use. Yes, you can go from, I'm going to show you, you can go from carpet to hardwood without any problem. Pull it back, turn it on. I'm in the hardwood setting. It's not self-propelled, but it does move relatively easy. You do have it on, so if you do try to use it on the carpet when you're in the hardwood mode, it is a little bit harder. It's not a self-propelled motor, but it does move easier. So you're just going to press all the way down, pull it, and it just glides. And you can hear it kind of kick in like the power nozzle and makes it super easy to vacuum. This is the Shark Upright Bagless System. This one specifically is called the Lift Away because you can lift this and go. So that's lift away, okay? everything there. Pop it down like that. So that little bit of vacuuming, that's how much stuff I got in there. That's a lot. But this also opens for easy cleaning of your filter. Everything is super accessible, easy to operate. Everything stays right here with you, really can go just about anywhere. I absolutely love this vacuum and was very pleasantly surprised. So I hope you liked that video, and if you did, hit that like button and follow for more videos like this.